Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanisha. So today I'm gonna talk about something जिसके बारे में हर लड़की को पता होना चाहिए बट हर कोई बात नहीं करता है. You know, we being a girl face a lot of issues, be that your vaginal discharge, your vaginal odor, your periods related issues and a lot more, and sometimes we really don't know that why is it happening or what we should do to get over such issues. So it's very important that you should know the right ways in order to get over such issues. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you 6 steps that you need to follow in order to take care of your personal hygiene, or you can say to take care of your vagina or the area down there healthy and fresh. So without waiting, let's get into the video. Let's start with cleaning first. So make sure that you clean your vagina every day while you take a bath and every time you pee, and make sure that you clean your area only with clean water and not with any intimate wash or any soaps, because मैंने पर्सनली यूज़ करे हैं ऐसे इंटीमेट वॉशेस एंड मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा इशू हुआ था उसकी वजह से. सो आई वुड से अ बिग नो टू सच इंटीमेट वॉशेस. And vagina is a self-cleaning organ. You just need some water to clean it up, and rest of the things it do it itself. After cleaning, it's very important that you keep that area dry using any tissue paper or a toilet paper. And the right way to clean your area is from front to back, not from back to front. This has to be done every time you pee and you wash your area. And अगर आपको कोई vaginal discharge जैसा issue है, then you can go for some antibacterial powders that are easily available in the market. All you have to do is to sprinkle some powder over your panties before you go out, and it will help you to stay dry down there, and आपको कोई fungal या bacterial issue भी नहीं होगा. The one I use is from Cipla, and I'll link this down below in the description box as well. Next is shaving. Now it's totally up to you that you want to shave that area or not, because some study says that the hair down there is to protect that region, and some says that the hair down there causes some bacterial and fungal issues over there. So it's totally up to you that you want to keep that area clean or you keep the hair down there. And if you really don't want to clean that area, at least just trim down your hair so that you doesn't catch any fungal or bacterial issue. Also I would suggest कि आप clean ही रखें तो ज़्यादा better है, because वो area ऐसा है आप उसको जितना clean रखेंगे उतना ही आपकी health के लिए better है. Next thing that you have to take care of is to avoid wearing panties that are made up of synthetic or silk material, and instead go for some cotton panties, because cotton का material काफ़ी light होता है और बहुत breathable भी होता है. Also please throw away all your tight panties and go for some loose panties, because उसकी वजह से भी आपके air blockage होती है and your vagina is not able to breathe properly. So just avoid doing such mistake. Next point is for the days when you are on your periods. So all you have to take care of is to change your pad after every 4 to 5 hours. ऐसा नहीं करना आपने एक पैड मॉर्निंग में लगाए एंड वही आप यूज़ करते चले जा रहे हो पूरे दिन, ऐसा नहीं करना. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस आपको बहुत ज़्यादा रैशेज हो सकते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा फंगल इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है. सो जस्ट मेक श्योर आप 4 से 5 घंटे बाद चेंज कर लें. एंड इवन तो आपका 3rd डे 4th डे या 5th डे है तो भी आप इस चीज़ को जरूर फॉलो करें. इफ़ यू आर समवन हु गेट्स अ लॉट ऑफ vaginal discharge or vaginal odor, then here's a remedy for you. I know there are so many girls out there who are just done with this issue, so you need to follow these 2 remedies to get rid of this issue. All you have to do is to mix a tablespoon of alum with water, and you have to drink it twice a day. This will help you to manage the excess discharge and that foul smell. Another thing that you can do is to take a alum stick and just soak it inside the water. After that, just rub it around the lips of your vagina. This will help you to manage the vaginal odor. So that was it for my today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do let me know in the comment section if this video helped you some way. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.